Alright, I'm going to show you now the process of signing up for your hosting account with our preferred provider. There should be a link somewhere on the page where you're watching this video. If you happen to be watching it on YouTube, there should be a link to your right that will take you to the hosting setup. Or if you're watching it on one of my web pages or somewhere, there should be a link on the page below or something like that. So anyway, when you go to the home page, you'll see, just like any other hosting website, what you want to do is just let's go to Learn More for now. I want to show you the differences between the different sites options for hosting. Now, if you're signing up for a WordPress site, you want to use a Linux web hosting. Whether you're at HostGator or wherever you're going to host it, Linux would be the preferred. It will run on Windows, but there's many more tools that are specialized for WordPress that'll help you install it and things like that are on the Linux servers. So we have three the three main hosting options here. We have the Hatchling, we have the Baby, and the Business. Now, Hatchling, you can get it as cheap as $1 or $4.95 a month, relative, prorated. But if you look at that's only if you pay for like 3 years at a time. So if you want to go month to month, which is what I always do, is because I don't usually have money to pay ahead, but if you select the monthly option, it's only $8.95 a month. But I would not recommend the Hatchling, and the main difference why I would at least get the Baby. The reason for that is this line right here, the domains allowed. You only have one domain allowed with this option. With the next option up, you have unlimited domains, and it's only $1 difference a month. So if you pay $9.95 a month, you have unlimited domains, and what that means is you can set up as many websites as you want within the space they allot you, which is plenty of space. Now you can even go up from there, and you can get this business option, which I'm not sure. I mean, if you want your own private SSL certificate or dedicated IP, stuff like that, but that's the primary difference. I would just recommend the Baby option here. You can see that there's a lot of options involved. Again, the add-on and park domains are unlimited on this account. And then we have all the other options, which aren't all that important, but your webmail, email stuff you can set up. The control panel is important, but they're all the same for all these different options. So if we go to the bottom and then just click on Order. Now the next thing is if you already registered your domain, might be the case if you registered at GoDaddy or something like that, you will select this option, which is I will use my existing domain and update my name servers, which I've done a video on how to do that with GoDaddy. So the existing domain example would be WordPress hosting guide, and then the .com. They've given you the dot there. So click Next, and then I've already selected the Baby option. Here's a domain name I'm going to use. It's showing me it's $9.95 a month, or you can choose one of the other options if you want to. If you have the money, you want to save some over the long run, pick one of the other ones. But I'm just going to go month to month. And then if you have a couponing entered there, they did have a special for if you enter the green. In fact, let's go back and see what happens. I think at the time of this recording, I had a green coupon. Yeah, so I saved a couple bucks. Now, the rest you're probably going to have to go through on your own, but it should be self-explanatory. You'll continue as a new customer unless you already have an account, but let's just go as a new customer for now. It's going to fill in all my info. Please don't show up my house. But here's where you can select your username, password, all this stuff. And then pay with your credit card. agree to terms and conditions, and then verify your order. And when you do that, you're going to get some emails. You should get an email probably instantly or within minutes with information on how to access your new website. Now, if you have a domain name already pointed to it, you might be able to access it pretty quickly. On that email, actually, that you get, it'll tell you what the name servers are that you need to update on your domain name. So it'll be something, ns345.hostgator.com or something to that effect. That's what you'll update your name servers for your domain name. Now, if you didn't already register your domain and you're having HostGator do it for you, you'll pay a little bit extra, but it's like $5 more, so $15 for your domain. But they'll have the name server set up for you. You don't have to worry about it. That's it for this video. Thanks.